Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, guys, today I'm going to walk you guys through how to create image like this, like this, like this, and like this, and so many on, guys. So let's dive into this video tutorial, guys, where I'll be showing you guys how to create all this image that you just see on the screen right now. So the platform we're going to use today in today's video is going to call Microsoft Word Bin. So there will be a link in the video description. Just copy the link you see. You're going to see it's bin.com. So when you type search for bin.com, just like this, just bin.com, you're going to see the bin.com like this. And you just type for what you're doing, just type for bin.com/image, okay, bin.com/image or bin.com/create. So any of them will take you to there. So let me show you guys example. So bin.com/create. So I will drop this link in the video description. So you can see here. So bin.com/create, it brings me to the particular place you are coming directly. So let me place it. So this here. So when you come, you're going to create an account. Okay. So when you click it first time, you're going to create an account. And for those of you that if you're finding it difficult to come to bin.com/create, just go to and type Microsoft Word create. So Microsoft Word create. When you type Microsoft Word create, it's going to also bring you to so you can see here, you can see image creating for Microsoft Word design. So if you click it, it's going to take you to a step to register, but because I've already registered, it's bringing me to my account directly. So now this is image that I've created with this particular system method. If you look at it, you see I have 15 points. When you look at it, you see I have 15 points. So you're going to be receiving points every day, which is 15 points and 15 image. That is 15 generating. So you have opportunity to generate 15 times. So if you generate the first one, you don't like it, you can regenerate it because you have only opportunity to generate it up to 15 times. So that is the meaning of that 15 points. So after the 15 points, you exhaust it, you can't do anything again till the following day, unless if you're using the Microsoft Word to browse and do some tasks to get more points. So that is how you can get more points for here. So now let me show you guys this the prompt we're going to use. Let me bring the prompt close. So we are going to use this prompt here. So inside this prompt here, see the prompt one. I'm going to drop the prompt at the description, guys. So you're just going to copy the prompt here and then save it. You just go and copy it and save. So if I come to this search box here, you say what? So yeah, just paste it here. So what is the meaning of this prompt? Because a lot of you guys like prompt, what is the meaning? The meaning is like when you're defining the kind of things that you want the AI system to generate for you. So just like telling me, bro, please help me to go and get a coffee, or bro, help me to get to go there and get me mineral. So it's a message. So you can say, help me to deliver this food to the house number 10. It's a message. So that is how to specify what you want. You can say, generate me image with a fat girl with a thin yash. I'm sorry, is there anything like that? So all right, guys, so that's just what prompt is all about, defining what you want. So I'm going to just hit create now. So let's wait for him to create, and here is loading, guys. And we're going to see what type of image is it going to create for us. Still loading. So okay, here are the images that we just generated for us. So you can click the image to preview it in a bigger size, and when you click it, you can see the image here. So if you want to download it, you just click the download button and you're going to download this image. You want to see other ones, you click next, just this arrow here. When you click it, you're going to see it. Click. Okay, you're going to see it. So sometimes it may not generate perfect image for you. What you just need to simply do is to regenerate it. I hope you understand. Regenerate it when you do not generate perfect image. So let's go to our prompt 2 and paste our prompt 2 here. Then click generate. Coming up. Why is loading? So let me get our prompt 5. So this is our prompt 5. I think that is the last prompt that I want to use in this video. I want to use it last. This particular one now that I just twist to correct the grammar, I will reuse it again to see what will be the output, which is the prompt 3. Now this is our prompt 2. Okay, this is a 2 here. So we're going to generate our prompt 3. So when you look at the point now, since you are doing 3, you can see that you have only 12 left, which means point 3 has got this 1, 2, and the third one is upcoming. So let me go and get our prompt 4. Remember, we'll still go back to the 3, and I will correct this grammar and still go back to it and see if it's going to give us a better result, right? All right. This the prompt 3, you guys can see. Yeah. What a wonderful image. So this is what you can actually achieve with this. So you can actually edit anything that you want. So on prompt 4, hit generate. Now let's go to the, before I come back to the grammar correction, let's go to the prompt 5. So you can see, have you seen it? Let me preview it. Just imagine, oh, oh, this I know is more chicken. Nah, you see. So let's go. This is for 5, I think so. This is the 5. Yeah. So I have not actually generated this. I do some twist on this prompt 5. This prompt 5 and prompt 2, I think they are the same, but I did some twists. You see, yeah, with prompt 2 are the same, but I did some little twist on it. So I want us to see the result now. And what is the twist I did there? I will go and show you guys what I actually did. So I say here, it I mean, look at what change. Okay, I say mother and father. Why prompt 2 has only mother going after him? So why here is mother and father going after him? Okay, now and I came here, said here you say with a broom, here is a broom, and I said with a broom on his hand, and here I say and shovel in the father's hand. So now let's see what is going to generate for us. So that is the changes I did. Okay, so let's preview it and see. Okay, here you are seeing the mother with broom, and here you are seeing the father, but instead of shovel, the father is just holding rope. You guys understand? So for this now is not correct. For us to get it correct, you need to do some twist or regenerate it again. So let's go and regenerate again. Let's regenerate again and see. We are going to regenerate this and see what we are going to get, because this is not exactly what we want, right? And here, if you come to this third one here, let's see. Oh, network went bad. So when you come here, you see the shovel is here instead of the father holding the shovel, and here the father is holding the broom. So let's go and regenerate. We're gonna paste it again and then hit generate again. Hopefully it should give us what we want. And if it did not give us what we want, um you are going to retwist it, rewrite it, and try to rewrite it to get what you want. So that is how to actually generate all these images. But remember, I said I'm going to try those other ones that I twisted again. There, I think the father is holding broom. Okay, is it broom or stick? So okay, here the father is holding broom and axe or shovel. Yeah. So this is a little more bits better, but when you continue generating, it's going to give you what you want. Um, let me come to this. There's one which I made a grammar change. Which one? I think it's third one. So let's see. But I think, let me see if that has any impact. The reason why I want to check it is if this grammar change do have impact sometimes in our theory, or like when we are doing things with AI like this. So guys, pause a little bit and go and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you receive an update whenever I drop a new update. So okay, I think it's a little bit different from what we generated before, but all are the same thing. So please don't forget to like my video and subscribe, turn on the notification so you receive an update whenever I drop a new video. And I hope to see you in my next video, and peace out.